Meaning of Dutch.
Dutch,
Dutch.
Dutch,
Dutch. The term Dutch typically refers to anything related to the Netherlands or its people, language, culture, or history. It can also refer to the descendants of Dutch people who have migrated to other countries. The Netherlands is a country located in northwestern Europe, known for its windmills, tulips, and rich cultural heritage. Dutch people speak the Dutch language, and their culture has been shaped by the country's history of trade, colonization, and immigration. Today, the Netherlands is a modern, liberal democracy with a diverse population and a thriving economy.